Stacy and I will be your sugar nail expert for today. So today I'll be showing you some really easy and quick nail art using tools which you can find at home, and also I'll be using some newly launched sugar nail lacquers. Start by applying a coat of matte nail polish. Here I'm using tic-tac-toe in number 13, Break on Blue. Let that dry. For the dots you can use a toothpick, the flat end for bigger dots and the pointed end for smaller dots. Here I'm using number 62, Picture Perfect. Take some nail polish on a tray and dip the end of the toothpick and add some random dots. Take the pointed end to add smaller dots. Take another shade and do the same as we did before. Here I'm using number 63, Mint Money. Dip the end of the toothpick and add some random dots. Take the pointed end to add smaller dots. Clean up the edges with a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover and you are done. For the next design, apply a neutral base. Here I used number 11, Cream Come True. Let that dry. Then take a fan brush. Here I'm using number 56, Cherry Jane. Take some nail polish on a tray and then soak the brush in the nail polish. Remove excess and gently brush it across the nail. It need not be perfect as you can clean it later. You can buy this from any craft store or online store, or you can use an old eyeshadow brush. Pinch it with a bobby pin to mimic a fan brush. Then take a shimmery or metallic nail polish and do the same. Here I'm using number 21, Good as Gold. Remove excess and gently brush it across the nail. Let the design dry completely. Use a cotton bud to clean up the edges and finish off with your favorite top coat, or leave it as it is for some texture. So that was it for today's video. I hope you all found it helpful. Please do share this video with your friends and also do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. And yeah, that's all for now. Bye!